Welcome to Connect with Concept. Let's simplify this expression having three terms 1, 2 and 3. The numerator is very simple, so we are going to first solve the denominator. So I'm just going to simplify the denominator. If I see in the denominator I have some exponents having power with two terms and minus in between. So if like this situation is there, what we are going to do, we can see that x is having a exponent of b divided by x is having a exponent of a. So this can be written in this way. Similarly, I can write for x raised to power c. This is the numerator power divided by power of the denominator. Similarly, I can write it here also. 1 plus x raised to power a by x raised to power b plus x raised to power c upon x raised to power b. For the third term now, so it is going to be 1 plus x raised to power b upon x raised to power c plus x raised to power a upon x raised to power c. Now 1 is having no denominator, so I am going to put 1 and convert this into a rational number. Now LCM we have to take, as the denominators are not common, so we will take the LCM. So LCM of this particular denominator is going to be x raised to power a. 1 is in the numerator already. Now xa is the denominator or LCM. So we will divide this LCM by 1. So we are going to get xa. This xa will be multiplied with 1 and I am going to get xa. This denominator divided by this denominator will give me 1. 1 times xb will be x raised to power b. Plus xa divided by xa 1. 1 times xa will give me xc. Similarly, I am going to take the LCM here also. So I am going to get LCM as xb, writing down xb, and in the numerator I am going to get xb plus xa plus xc. So this is a simple procedure of taking the LCM only. Now here also the LCM is going to be xc. In the numerator I am going to get xc plus xb plus xc. If you observe carefully, the numerators of every denominator part is same. Now you see the denominator has a denominator. So this denominator will be the numerator then. Okay. So this is going to be the numerator here. This is going to be the numerator. So finally I am going to get a expression xa upon xa plus xb plus xc. Here I am going to get xb is going to go up, xb upon xa plus xb plus xc. Similarly, for the third term I am going to get xc upon xa plus xb plus xc. Now you see the numerators are common, so they are like fractions, so we can add the numerators. So if I add the numerator, it is going to be xa plus xb plus xc, and the denominator is also same, xa plus xb xc. So when the numerator and denominator are same, so we can see that they are common, so we will get the answer as 1.